to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses radio control to get kids excited about math and science, and today we finally have our Losi XXL2-E back on the road. Actually on the road for the first time. Just a recap from previous episodes, we got this used, and we've had quite a time fixing it up. So this is the first Voyage on 4S, and it's riding on the 3.8 inch Proline mashers. We actually just flipped it going to push it back. Definitely a lot of power even on 4S here. So 6S, this is definitely gonna be tough to keep on the ground. Oh. So we'll put the 6S packs in and see what happens here. I might have to do some suspension tuning. Just so that it isn't wheeling all over the place. This is on the stiffest springs. Probably switch over to something softer. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you next time.